Welcome to Karen Blake Coaching. Congratulations on enrolling on your qualification. Whether you're studying the Level 3 Award in Education and Training, Level 4 Certificate in Education and Training, Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, IQA, Advice and Guidance, or another program, we're delighted to support you on your learning journey. This short induction will show you how to use the iLearner platform, monitor your progress, communicate with your assessor, and access support throughout your qualification. Let's get started. As a learner with Karen Blake Coaching, you'll be supported throughout your qualification journey. Your assessor will provide guidance, assessment feedback, and progress reviews to help you achieve your goals. You'll use the iLearner platform to track your progress, access assessment information, and communicate with your assessor. Remember, learning is a journey and support is available whenever you need it. You will receive your iLearner username and password from Karen Blake Coaching. To access your Learner account, visit the login page and enter your username and password. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your Learner dashboard. For security purposes, we recommend changing your password when you first log in. If you experience any difficulties accessing your account, please contact us for assistance. After logging in for the first time, please take a few moments to review and update your learner profile. Check that your contact information, email address, and personal details are correct. Accurate information helps us contact you regarding assessments, progress reviews, and important qualification updates. Once you've made any changes, remember to click the Update These Details button to save your information. The menu on the left-hand side of the screen allows you to navigate around iLearner. The main areas you'll use are Mail, your portfolio, Progress, Reviews, and ILP, and the Still to Do section. We'll look at each of these areas in more detail throughout this induction. As you become more familiar with the system, you'll find it easy to move between different sections and monitor your qualification progress. The Mail section allows you to communicate with your assessor. You can send messages, ask questions, and, where appropriate, submit evidence through the system. However, many learners also choose to submit work directly by email, and your assessor will advise you on the most suitable method for your qualification. Always ensure that any evidence you submit clearly identifies the unit and learning outcome it relates to. The Portfolio section provides a record of evidence and assessment activity linked to your qualification. When you first enrol, this area may appear empty. As you begin submitting work and receiving assessment decisions, records will start to appear here. Your portfolio helps maintain a clear audit trail of your learning and assessment journey. The Progress section allows you to monitor your qualification journey. Here you can view your assigned units, completed items, and overall progress. As assessment decisions are recorded, your progress information will be updated. We encourage you to check this area regularly so you can keep track of your achievements and identify any outstanding work. The Reviews and ILP section is used to record formal progress reviews completed by your assessor. Following your first review, an individual learning plan, often referred to as an ILP, will be generated within the system. Regular reviews help identify achievements, discuss any challenges, and agree actions to support your continued progress. The Still to Do section, sometimes called Gap Analysis, helps identify outstanding work within your qualification. You can use this area to see which units still require evidence and where further work may be needed. As evidence is assessed and criteria are achieved, the gaps shown here will reduce. Checking this section regularly can help you stay organised and focused on the next steps in your learning. At Karen Blake Coaching, learner support is a key part of the learning experience. Support is available for understanding assessment criteria, assignment requirements, progress reviews, reasonable adjustments and technical assistance with iLearner. If you need help, please contact us by email, telephone or WhatsApp. Email info@karenblakecoaching.com, office 01 6857 00946, mobile and WhatsApp 0774 256 3103. No question is too small, and we encourage you to ask for support whenever you need it. You are now ready to begin your qualification journey. Your first steps are to log into iLearner, update your learner profile, review your qualification workbook and specification, and begin working through Unit 1. Remember to monitor your progress regularly, participate in progress reviews, and complete any outstanding actions identified within the Still to Do section. Most importantly, ask for support whenever you need it. On behalf of Karen Blake Coaching, we wish you every success with your qualification and look forward to supporting you throughout your learning journey.